So hello guys, Christian this side. So today we are gonna talk about the most, I would say, the most controversial anime of all time. That like not controversial in the type of good or bad. It's in the type of, is it able to watch, or we should watch it, or we should not watch it.
What? What the fuck?
So guys, as you have seen the thumbnail and you have guessed it, so I'm gonna talk about One Piece. So before anyone was wondering that why am I wearing a mask, so the thing is simple, that my nose is running and you can't see a person without a nose, huh? Did you get the joke? Nose was running and person without a nose. So anyway, let's get to the topic and just start the video. So many people has, so I have seen on like Twitter or Instagram, many people have said that, and they make memes like why should you watch One Piece, like it's 972 or 73 episode long, and they are like if you start watching anime like One Piece, the starting 200 and 300 episode are bad, then oh man, the place where life is just too chaotic to record a video, huh? So and they are not stopping it.
2,000 years later.
Yes. So where was I? So I was saying that people are saying that One Piece is too long to watch. Like animation is bad, starting animation is bad, and you have to watch like 300 or 400 episode to get hooked on. But as a person like who has watched One Piece, I can say that that is just some bullshit. Like I have watched One Piece like a year ago. Like I started watching One Piece a year ago, and I just finished the whole One Piece in just like almost the span of like 1.5 months.
Oh my god! Wow!
It was this good, and person says that its animation was bad, like it's not worth it. Why don't you just go and watch Demon Slayer or like Fate or Jujutsu Kaisen? Like if you know when the One Piece was started, like it was started in 1999, or if I don't think I'm wrong, but if I'm wrong, I will write it on the screen. But it it was started like very old. It was earlier than Naruto, I think so. So if you have to say the animation of that time, it was still pretty good animation. If you say so, it was not bad at all. Like the One Piece doesn't need that cool animation like if you have. One Piece is not about the animation, no. One Piece is more about the story, and people say like you have to watch like so many episodes to like get hooked on One Piece. No, I don't think so. Like I started watching One Piece, like I love it from the first episode only. Not gonna lie, the Usopp part, like the arc where Usopp joined, was the only arc I didn't like. But other than that, like I like every episode. Like if I'm going to say, if they are saying like 400 episode or 500 episode to get hooked on, like I'm gonna say it's not true. Like if I'm gonna say which episode is like where you will get hooked on, is like the arc of Sanji where Sanji joins the crew and the fight with Zoro and Mihawk. That's the point of no return for you. Like you cannot go back after watching that. But still, people is like, why should I go and watch One Piece? So well, there's no answer to it. If nobody is going to force you to watch it, just if we are saying that, like I've seen many people saying that One Piece is good, but still there are so many people who just doesn't watch it because it's old anime. Like if you see today's animation of Wano, it's just amazing. Every episode is like a movie. The animation is so damn good. Like it takes time. Like it gradually progresses from 1999. The animation become better, better. But the main part is the story remains the same. It was good from the start, and from now it's still super good. Like if you didn't want to watch, like nobody's gonna force you to watch it. Like it's your own life. Just waste it. Like I don't know if in the anime community, if you have watched like so many anime and you still didn't watch. I have seen so many people like watching Naruto and then they rewatch it again, and they say One Piece is too long. Like Naruto, first season of Naruto has like 200 episodes, and the second season has Shippuden has like 500 episodes, and they have also watched like every filler. Like if you are talking about One Piece, there are like hardly any filler after every arc. And if you talk about fillers, I will talk about it in a different video. But fillers are also amazing. Like I would say it's better than Naruto, but still people doesn't watch it. So I would definitely recommend, like, share this to this video who haven't watched Naruto. Like they have to watch. Sorry, I just said Naruto,
Donkey!
like I was saying that they have to watch One Piece. Like if you want to love anime more, like if you want to know anime more, that One Piece is a gem of an anime. Like it's the basic block of anime. It's pretty good anime, so I would definitely recommend everyone to watch. Like just watch it. That story is good, character design is good. Like I know when I started watching anime, it was my beginning phase, so I didn't care much about the animation part. So I watched Naruto easily, and I also watched One Piece in the starting part. So I didn't care that much about animation. But if I start watching One Piece, I will obviously definitely feel a little bit like, what do we say, what the word it is, I don't know, but I will feel little bit different than after watching like Demon Slayer, Fate, Jujutsu Kaisen, God of High School. It's goddamn amazing animation anime. But if you invest a little bit of time, like then you can just watch the whole anime and enjoy the story with it. And yeah, that's for the video. I hope you like the video. Subscribe. If you don't like the video, you can also dislike it. And see you in the next video. Until then.